I'm Phil and I review software, and we're looking at a fantastic little app called TidyCal. It's an online booking system where people can go onto a web page or click on an email link and book a slot with you. It could be used in the real world for a hairdresser's or somebody who has appointments like a personal trainer, or it could be used in the virtual world to schedule a Zoom meeting or a call. Do click subscribe if you want to find great reviews on software. But now let's jump in to TidyCal. Here you see the TidyCal screen, and the first thing you do is set up your booking types. So if you run an online business, somebody can book you for 15 minutes, for 30 minutes, or for 60 minutes. And these are, of course, fully customizable. You can change the title, you can change the description, you can tell them if it costs, how much it is for a 15-minute meeting, and how many people are allowed in that slot. It might be that 8 people can come in that slot, and you might be doing a group coaching course or just one person. But that's how you update the booking slots, and you can update all of the booking types. And once you've set up your booking types, you can click on embed onto your website and just copy that code and get you or your web developer to paste that code into your website so that people can book them. And of course, you can send this by email as well if people want to book a slot, and you can create as many new booking types as you want. Then we go on to the bookings page. So once you've created those, obviously people can book it. By the way, I'm not going to show you now, but integrations, you click on integrations. I've linked it to my Google Calendar. So if it's linked to your Google Calendar and your calendar is booked up because you're doing something else, TidyCal will recognize that and not make those slots available. So you're able to specify when people can book your time or services. They won't be able to book you presumably on a Saturday night at 10 o'clock because you might be out having a good time. Here is across the top, very simple software this, but let's run through it. Across the top, bookings, you can see I've got one booking there. Ben has booked in for a 30-minute meeting with me, and you can either cancel that meeting if he rings up and says you want to cancel, or you can reschedule that meeting, and you can see the details of the meeting. Just very quickly, I haven't got any contacts, but there's Ben, who's a spoof one because I made it up so I could show you. There is Ben's contacts, and on the top, it's integrations. You can link it to your Apple, your Office 365, or your Google account. If you get the full version, you can take payments, and you can integrate it with tools like Zapier as well. But that is it in a nutshell. It's called TidyCal. It's a alternative to Calendly. TidyCal, would I recommend it? Yeah, if you take bookings, it's a great piece of software, and in my link, you can get it for a lifetime deal, just one price, and you've got it. It's always there to you. Would I recommend it to friends? Of course I would. If they need a booking system for their online or real bookings, it works really well. So that is TidyCal. Really appreciate it if you click subscribe. Thanks. It just helps in this crazy YouTube world to get these videos out there a little bit faster. So thanks for that. And comment below if you've got any questions about TidyCal or any of the other software I have reviewed. And I will see you next time.